All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a sale going on with these custom knives for you. And I'm just going to go quickly through them, show you some specs, and I want you to check out also our consignment program that is going on fablades.com. Check that out. You can consign knives, fidget toys, flashlight, whatever you want. Send it over. We're going to sell it, and we are going to give you money. So we're going to just keep 15%, because that's going to cover, our operating cost, basically paying taxes, and the rest is going to be yours. So you can avoid, the Facebook Marketplace. You can avoid eBay. You can avoid all that just by sending this stuff to us, and we're going to take care of everything. So let's go ahead and start. We got a Randy Doucette. This is a Seeker version 2, and it's a pretty cool one. The blade is 3 3/4. This bad boy is very nice. Fat carbon scales, Mokutai pocket clip, anodized pivot and collar, and a spacer, hand rubbed. And this is going to be $9.49 on the site. Next up, we have a very cool one, JI Knives number 7, with some fat carbon camo scales, titanium liners, zirconium, everything, clip, spacer, hardware, thumb studs. Look at the blade, pretty cool. Sanmai Intrepid. This is 3 inches, a little bit longer, and it's going to run you $42.50 US. Next, we have a Fellholter and Horton FTR Mokutai Boomerang presentation scale with the holes, and titanium lock side, titanium clip, titanium thumb disc, chisel grind, polished armor tip. And the blade is going to be 3.5 inches, and this is going to run $19.49. Next up, we've got a Jake Hoback Quayback, carbon fiber inlays, titanium handle, Mokutai clip and spacer, and Damascus blade. Big boy. This fella is almost 4 inches, 3.75 inches for the blade. This bad boy is going to be $1,900 US. Right above that bad boy, we have a Greg Lightfoot. This is the 370Z. It is very, very cool. These are all, by the way, new from maker, guys. Marble carbon fiber. You got some Zircutai, actually. Bolsters and clip, titanium spacer, titanium liners, hollow grind. The blade length is going to be 3.25 inch, and this is going to run at 1,400 US. And this fella right over here is a massive one, still from Greg Lightfoot. This is a full contact fighter. It is a beast of a knife, full-size knife with some Mokutai scales, titanium liners, Damascus pocket clip, Sanmai back spacer, hollow grind from Lightfoot. Is a cool flipper indeed, and it's a big boy actually. The blade is going to be almost 4 inches, and this is going to run $1,900 bucks. I'm just looking for something to just give it a little cleanup over here, because look at this, it's pretty good. Right above that bad boy, we've got this pretty cool Eric Ox Sureworks shoot. This is a very nice custom knife. Mokutai bolsters, clip. Look at the spacer. Very nice indeed. Carbon fiber handles. You have some hand-rubbed blade. Look at this. Nice and shiny. And this bad boy is snappy. You have 4.25 inch for the length of this bad boy, and it's gonna run you 1600 US on the site. And remember, you're welcome to make offers, right? Reasonable offers on these bad boys. Just send me an email, and we're gonna sort you out. Start from this side, Tough Knives Amalgam. This also is a very nice one indeed. Hand rub blade, titanium handle. You have a thumb disc, matching hardware, clip, pivot collar, spacer. Look at that. Oops. Oops, that's just me. This is a snappy action. This is gonna be 1800 bucks. And has a very, very smooth action. Look at that. Oh, the length of the blade, because you guys want to know that, is going to be 3.5, a little bit, 3.6 inches. Sometimes I say ounces, but it's inches. Right above, we have a cool Bali ballistic knives. That's an Apex. Look at that, nice anodization on the titanium scale, handles, anodized edges, clip, lock bar stabilizer. You have a very cool hollow grind indeed. Hole on the blade, it's a frame lock, and this thing, it's snappy. The length of the blade on this one is going to be 3.5 inches, and this is going to run 1049 USD on the site. Then look at this, we got a beautiful, beautiful Larevo Knives Laterus, $14.99 with some blackwood carbon fiber, Damascus, pretty much everything, clip, spacer, bolsters, blade, of course. Look at the titanium hardware, pivot, everything is gorgeous on this one. It's a liner lock, it's a flipper, even if the flipper tab is very inconspicuous, and it's not that big. Blade is like 3.2 inches, I would say, and it's gonna be $14.99. Remember, you can send me offers for all these. This bad boy right up here, it's a Enrique Peña Custom Reno. It's a flipper, frame lock with anodized back spacer, Mokutai pocket clip, pivot collars, and hand rub blade. You got some bronze anodizations in the hole, and hardware as well is anodized. This fella is going to be 3 inches long for the blade, and it's going to be $7.49. Right up, we got the O'Hare. I don't know how to pronounce that, to be honest. O'Hare. Custom knives, that's a Rambler. This is a Canadian one, some very cool, look at the bolsters, carbon fiber, scales. You have some, I mean, look at the blade right over here. It's a flipper, Mokutai pocket clip, back spacer, file works in the liners, bronze anodization, big boy. This guy has a blade length of 3.6 inches, and it's gonna run you at $10.49. Again, open to offers for these bad boys. Right up to next to this guy, we have this Steenkamp knives. That's a Hornet. It's made with marble fiber, marble carbon fiber scales, Mokutai bolsters, marble carbon fiber pocket clip, titanium hardware, Mokutai clip, carbon fiber spacer. Blade is beautifully done, nice and almost polished, hollow grind. It is a flipper that, just hit my hand, but snaps very, very nicely indeed. This fella is gonna be $10.99. Same thing for this guy up here. It's this partner, same configuration, just a different blade shape, same price, $10.99, and they are both with 3.2 inches blade, same specs. These are a pretty cool pair indeed. So this was just a quick overview for this knife sale that we've got going on this set of custom knives. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.